Hello everyone, I'm Shalini, student of SVCE. In this video, we will be talking about water conservation. As we all know, water conservation is crucial for sustainable living. Here we'll learn how we can make a difference and preserve this precious resource. Here we have the contents, introduction, the importance of water conservation, ways to conserve water at home, water conservation technologies, conserving water in agriculture, water conservation policies and regulations, impact of climate change on water conservation efforts, call to action, conserve water, community initiatives, the future of water conservation, conclusion. So, introduction. Water conservation is a crucial imperative in the face of mounting global challenges related to freshwater scarcity and environmental sustainability. As the world's population grows, the climate change intensifies, the demand for water escalates, placing unprecedented stress on finite water resources. In this context, effective water conservation practice emerge as a linchpin for maintaining ecological balance, supporting agricultural productivity, and ensuring access to clean water for communities worldwide. This introduction delves into the pivotal importance of water conservation, exploring its multifaceted significance in the realms of environmental stewardship, economic resilience, and individual responsibility. Next, we have the importance of water conservation. Water is essential for all life on Earth. Discover the far reaching implications of water scarcity and why conservation is crucial. Human beings are 60% water. Water is a vital part of our functioning, which is true for the rest of life on this planet. Plants, animals, and the environment all need water to survive and function. Humans use water for just about everything from growing food to sanitation and recreation. Water is an important and essential part of every ecosystem on the planet, and when it's damaged or reduced, there is serious repercussions and consequences for human and animal life. Prudent and economic use of water makes a huge difference, especially in times of drought. Conservation helps make it so a given area has enough water to go around. Water scarcity is an enormous problem in some parts of the world. Next, we have ways to conserve water at home. Fix leaks. A dripping faucet can waste gallons of water. Repair leaks promptly to save water and reduce water bills. Water efficient appliances. Upgrade to low flow toilets, shower heads, and dishwashers to save water without compromising performance. Reduce evaporation. Water plants early in the morning or late in the evening to reduce evaporation. Collect rainwater. Utilize rain barrels or tanks to collect and reuse rainwater for watering plants or cleaning purpose. Reduce lawn irrigation. Water lawns during the early morning or late evening to minimize evaporation. Consider xeriscaping for a water efficient landscape. Water conservation technologies, smart irrigation systems, use prevent overwatering, sensors and weather data to optimize watering schedules, grey water recycling, treat and reuse household wastewater such as from showers and laundry for irrigation or toilet flushing, drip irrigation deliver water directly to plants' root, minimizing evaporation and ensuring optimal moisture levels, low flow fixtures, water efficient faucets, shower heads, and toilets designed to minimize water wastage in households and business. Rainwater harvesting, collecting rainwater for later use, reducing reliance on traditional water sources. Soil moisture sensors, monitoring soil moisture levels to ensure precise irrigation, avoiding overwatering. Desalination, converting seawater into fresh water, addressing water scarcity in coastal areas, water purification technologies, advanced filtration and purification systems to treat wastewater for reuse, leak detection systems, employing sensors to identify and alert users to water leaks, preventing unnecessary water loss, xeriscaping, landscaping with drought-resistant plants to reduce the need for extensive irrigation. Next, we have conserving water in agriculture, drought-resistant crops, develop and promote crop varieties that require less water to thrive in arid regions. Precision irrigation, use soil moisture sensors and remote sensing technology to irrigate crops precisely, reducing wastewater. Water efficient farming techniques. Implement practices like mulching, cover cropping, and crop rotation to retain moisture and reduce water usage. Next, we have water conservation policies and regulations. Water usage restrictions. Implement enforced rules on non-essential water use, such as car washing and lawn watering during drought periods. Incentives for conservation offer rebates and tax incentives to encourage individuals and businesses to adopt water efficient practices. Water metering, install water meters to monitor usage and support precising structures that incentivize conservation. Landscaping regulations, promoting water-wise landscaping and restricting the use of water-intensive plants in public and private spaces. Mandatory water efficiency standards requiring appliances, fixtures, and irrigation systems to meet specific water efficiency criteria. Industrial water recycling, encouraging industries to recycle and reuse water in their process, reducing overall demand. Water precising strategies, implementing tiered precising to discourage excessive water use and promote conservation, educational campaigns, launching public awareness campaigns to educate individuals and communities about the importance of water conservation and sustainable water practices. By the by, we have impact of climate change on water conservation efforts, shrinking water sources, rising temperatures accelerate the melting of glaciers, reducing fresh water supplies, increased drought frequency, climate change exacerbates drought conditions, leading to more severe water scarcity, intensified rainfall events. Extreme rainfall patterns result in rapid runoff, limiting water infiltration and increasing the risk of floods. Next, we have call to action, conserve water, be mindful, consciously use water and avoid wasteful habits like leaving taps running unnecessarily, spread awareness, share the importance of water conservation with friends, family, and your community. Get involved, support organizations working towards water conservation initiatives, and participate in local conservation efforts. Next, we have community initiatives. Community gardens with water efficient practices highlight neighborhoods promoting water efficient gardening techniques such as drip irrigation and soil moisture monitoring. Community workshops and education programs feature communities organizing workshops and educational programs to raise awareness about water conservation practices among residents. Green infrastructure projects highlight neighborhoods incorporating green infrastructure like permeable pavements and green roofs to reduce runoff and promote water conservation. Community cleanup events around water sources showcase efforts where communities come together to clean and preserve local water sources like rivers, lakes, or ponds. Water conservation challenges and competitions, discuss friendly competitions within communities to encourage residents to reduce water usage and implement innovative conservation measures, partnerships with local business, highlight collaborations between communities and local business to promote water conservation, such as restaurants serving water only upon request, school programs on water conservation, showcase initiatives within schools where students are actively involved in water conservation projects, creating a ripple effect in the community. Community cleanup events around water sources feature instances where community members actively advocate for and contribute to local water conservation policies and regulations. Next, we have the future of water conservation. The future of water conservation involves innovative technologies, sustainable practices, and increased awareness. Smart irrigation systems, efficient water management in agriculture, and public education on water saving habits are key components. Additionally, continued research and development will play a crucial role in addressing water scarcity challenges. The goals of saving water are multifaceted. They include reducing water waste, promoting sustainable water use practices, protecting and restoring water ecosystems, and ensuring equitable access to water for all communities. By achieving these goals, we can help mitigate the impacts of environmental instability, promote biodiversity, and protect our water resources for future generations. Concluding the topic, in conclusion, the future of water conservation holds promising prospects driven by technological advancements, policy initiatives, and a growing global awareness of the need for sustainable water practices. The need for water conservation is an urgent global priority, requiring collective efforts to address the growing challenges of water scarcity and ensure a sustainable future. As we navigate the challenges of increasing water scarcity, it is imperative that individuals, industries, and governments continue to prioritize and invest in water conservation efforts to safeguard this precious resource for future generations. The conclusion underscores the ongoing importance of resource and innovation in water conservation as continued efforts to develop new technologies, promote sustainable practices, and raise awareness are crucial for securing a water resilient future for generations to come. The combination of innovative solutions such as smart irrigation, grey water recycling, and precision agriculture, along with community engagement and international collaboration, paves the way for a more water resilient world. Thank you.